Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming this is the Dell Windows 11 machine tied to the Microsoft account or local admin you control. Sign into that Microsoft account on another device. Make sure you have admin credentials if the PC uses a local account. Connect the laptop to the internet and power, because retrieval and sync require connectivity. Once done, open Settings, go to Accounts, and check for BitLocker or device encryption status. This tells you whether a recovery key exists and where to look next. Next, you retrieve the key by going to the Microsoft Accounts Devices or BitLocker Recovery Keys area. Sign in with the same account and match the key ID shown on the laptop lock screen. If the machine is joined to Azure AD or managed by your organization, access the Intune or Azure portal, because admins store keys there. Also, look for any previously exported TXT or PDF files, printed copies, or a USB drive labeled for recovery. These are common places users keep the key for emergencies. Finally, when you have the 48-digit recovery key, enter it exactly as shown at the BitLocker prompt. Copy and paste from your Microsoft account or typed file to prevent errors. Once accepted, the system will resume. Make sure to suspend or turn off BitLocker temporarily if you perform system changes. If you cannot find a key, contact Dell support with the service tag and your account details, or ask your IT admin without the correct key. Data recovery is unlikely. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery fails, try safe mode or system restore before.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.